on the equity markets. The Nifty has opened on a negative note today, and the Nifty has witnessed volatile trading session today. Intraday it moved in both the directions, in the positive, in the negative, pulled back from the lows of the day. However, at the end of the day, it ultimately ended the day on a negative note, down 31 points. The market breadth was interestingly positive today, with 829 advances to 686 declines. This was majorly on the back of the mid and small cap indices, where the broad market participation has started once again, and we saw the mid cap and the small cap index closing more than 0.5% in the positive territory, as against Nifty, which closed in the negative. From the Nifty 50 pack, the oil marketing companies HPCL, GPCL sold off in trade today. On the negative side, we also had stocks like Asian Paints, HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, which closed in the negative. On the positive side, we had Punjab National Bank, Hindalco, Tata Steel, Bharti Airtel, Larsen & Toubro, ICICI Bank, all gaining in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative for the second running day. It opened with a gap down. However, it quickly filled that gap, and thereafter the policy announcement, we saw volatile trading action in both the directions. Ultimately, it settled around the 40-hour moving average, and interestingly, that it is a very crucial support at this juncture. Nifty is currently trading at the 61.8% retracement level of the rise which we have seen from the lows of 8429 to the highs of 8623, which comes to around 8500. So that retracement area is coming around 8500. Now that along with the 40-hour moving average is a crucial support, and for the positive momentum to continue, we should now see the Nifty participating in the momentum on the upside. 2 days we have seen this sideways consolidation. Now the Nifty has reached the lower end of this channel, and on the hourly charts also we can observe that it is trading around the 40-hour moving average, which is a crucial support. So our sense is that from tomorrow onwards, the next trading session onwards, we should see the Nifty stocks starting to participate. Today we already saw the mid and small cap stocks starting to participate in the upside. Now we should see the Nifty 50 stocks also starting with its positive momentum on the upside. So we continue to maintain a positive stance for a target of 8720 on the upside. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 8504, which is today's low, and below that 8477. On the upside, 8568 and 8600 are crucial resistances. 8623 is the all-time high, and once that is reached or taken out on the upside, we should see further positive momentum on the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in the positive today. It recovered from the day's low and closed in the positive territory. We feel that the positive momentum is still there, and today's correction should be used as a low. The low of today, that is 18300, around that area, should be used as a crucial level to watch out for, and our sense is that the Bank Nifty should not go below this level for the positive momentum to continue. So 18,300 and 17,900 are crucial supports. On the upside, 18,772 and 19,000 are crucial resistances. We expect the positive momentum in Bank Nifty to continue. So overall friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. Today we have seen a volatile trading session. However, the Nifty has managed to close above crucial supports. So we maintain a positive stance for a target of 8720 on the upside. That's all for the day. Thank you.